that a new survey has found that the Muslim population in Spain has nearly tripled during the past decade, rising from 1 million in 2010 to 2.5 million this year.
A notable shift has been occurring in Spain. An increasing number of people are embracing Islam in recent years. This transformation isn't just about religion, it reflects broader social and cultural changes. As Spain continues to evolve, many are drawn to the principles of Islam for various reasons, from spiritual fulfillment to a sense of community. The country's rich history and diverse population contribute to this growing trend, sparking curiosity and interest among many. What are the driving forces behind this wave of conversion? How is Islam resonating with a new generation in Spain? Spain's connection with Islam dates back over 1,000 years to the early Middle Ages. In 711 AD, Muslim forces, known as Moors, crossed to the Iberian Peninsula from North Africa. They quickly established control over much of what is now modern-day Spain and Portugal. This period marked the beginning of nearly 800 years of Muslim rule, which significantly shaped the region's culture, architecture, and society. The Moors created a flourishing civilization in Spain, particularly in cities like Cordoba, Granada, and Seville. Cordoba, for instance, became a leading cultural and intellectual center in Europe. The city boasted impressive libraries, universities, and advancements in various fields, including science, medicine, and philosophy. This period, often referred to as the Golden Age of Al-Andalus, was marked by remarkable achievements and relatively high degree of religious tolerance. The influence of Islamic culture during this era left an incredible mark on Spanish society. Many aspects of daily life, including language, architecture, and even cuisine, were enriched by Muslim contributions. The Spanish language itself contains numerous Arabic words, a testament to the deep cultural exchange between the Moors and the local population. Architectural wonders such as Alhambra Palace in Granada and the Great Mosque of Cordoba reflect the artistic and architectural prowess of the Islamic civilization. Despite the eventual decline of Muslim rule, with the Reconquista culminating in 1492, the legacy of Islam remained embedded in Spanish culture. The Reconquista was a lengthy process in which Christian kingdoms gradually reclaimed territory from the Moors, culminating in the capture of Granada. This event marked the end of Islamic political control, but not the end of Islamic influence. The cultural and scientific achievements of the Moors continued to be respected and studied. Even after the Reconquista, Spain maintained a complex relationship with Islam. The Spanish Inquisition, established to enforce religious uniformity, targeted not only Jews but also Muslims who had converted to Christianity but were suspected of secretly practicing Islam. Despite these challenges, Islamic cultural elements persisted in various forms. In modern Spain, this historical backdrop plays a role in the growing interest in Islam. Many Spaniards are rediscovering the rich heritage of their ancestors and finding spiritual and cultural resonance in Islam. The revival of historical ties and the appreciation of Islamic contributions to Spanish culture are significant factors in this trend. The historical connection between Spain and Islam provides a deep-rooted context for the increasing number of conversions today. It highlights how historical experiences and cultural legacies continues to influence contemporary religious landscapes. Understanding this background helps to explain why many people in Spain are turning to Islam as they reconnect with a significant part of their past and explore new spiritual paths. Today, Spain's social and cultural landscape is evolving rapidly due to globalization and multiculturalism. These changes are having a profound impact on religious affiliations. The influx of diverse cultures and ideas has created a more inclusive environment where people are increasingly exploring and adopting different beliefs. Globalization has exposed many Spaniards to various religions and philosophies, including Islam. The exchange of ideas and cultural practices has made it easier for people to learn about and connect with different religious traditions. Multiculturalism, which celebrates diversity and promotes coexistence, has also played a role in this trend. As Spanish society becomes more open and diverse, individuals are more willing to explore and embrace new spiritual paths. Many individuals are drawn to Islam for personal and spiritual reasons. In a world where people often seek deeper meaning and purpose, Islam offers a comprehensive spiritual framework that resonates with many. The principles of Islam, such as the emphasis on charity, compassion, and community, attract those looking for a sense of belonging and direction in their lives. Islam provides a structured way of life that includes regular prayers, fasting, and other practices that foster a strong connection with the divine. For many, with structured approach to spirituality and personal conduct offers a sense of purpose and fulfillment. The sense of community and support found within the Islamic faith can be especially appealing to those feeling isolated or disconnected. Islamic communities and mosques play a crucial role in providing support and connection for new converts. Mosques serve as centers of social and spiritual activity, offering a range of services from religious education to community events. These spaces help new members feel welcomed and integrated into the community. Community activities, such as charity events, social gatherings, and educational programs, are designed to engage individuals and foster a sense of belonging. For many, these activities provide an opportunity to connect with others who share similar values and experiences. The support and camaraderie found in these communities can be a powerful factor in encouraging conversion. Media portrayals and public perceptions of Islam significantly influenced religious affiliations in Spain. In recent years, media coverage has varied, sometimes presenting Islam positively and other times negatively. Positive representations, such as highlighting the rich cultural heritage and peaceful teachings of Islam, can foster curiosity and respect, encouraging people to explore their religion. For instance, documentaries and news stories that focus on the contributions of Muslims to society or showcase vibrant Islamic festivals can help demystify their religion and attract interest. On the other hand, negative portrayals, often linked to conflicts or extremist activities, can create misconceptions and fear. Such coverage might lead to misunderstandings about Islam, which can influence people's perceptions and decisions about their religion. Misrepresentation can also contribute to stereotypes, making some individuals more cautious or resistant to exploring Islam. Overall, media representation plays a crucial role in shaping public opinion. Balanced and accurate portrayals of Islam can lead to increased awareness and acceptance, while biased or negative coverage can hinder understanding and acceptance. Interfaith dialogue and educational initiatives are vital in promoting understanding and interest in Islam. Interfaith dialogues bring together people from different religious backgrounds to discuss their beliefs and practices. These conversations can break down barriers, dispel myths, and foster mutual respect. In Spain, various organizations and community groups hold interfaith events that encourage open discussions and collaborative projects. Such initiatives help individuals learn more about Islam in a respectful and informed manner. Educational programs also play a key role in increasing awareness. Schools, universities, and community centers offer courses and workshops about different religions, including Islam. These programs aim to provide accurate information, address misconception, and promote cultural understanding. By educating people about the fundamentals of Islam and its contributions to global culture, these initiatives can spark interest and encourage individuals to explore their religion further. Political and social factors also influence the trend of conversions to Islam in Spain. Immigration policies and economic conditions can impact religious affiliations. For example, the presence of Muslim immigrant communities can increase exposure to Islam and its practices. As these communities grow, they often establish mosques and cultural centers that serve as resources for those interested in learning more about Islam. Economic conditions and social dynamics also play a role. In times of economic uncertainty or social change, people may seek stability and a sense of belonging that religions like Islam can offer. The structured practices and community support found in Islam can be particularly appealing during challenging times. In summary, the rising number of conversions to Islam in Spain can be attributed to a combination of historical influences, contemporary social changes, media representations, educational efforts, and political and social factors. Understanding these elements provides insight into why more people are drawn to Islam and highlights the significance of this trend in Spain's evolving cultural landscape. Stay tuned for the next video. May Allah guide us all.